Well, and I'm gonna be doing the unboxing video of the Bambu ad. P1 series. I recently got this one in the mail today. So let's get to the unboxing of this brand new 3D printer. This thing is massive, y'all. If you didn't see the size of this one, it's quite a heavy printer, so I had to carry it up here. That thing, it's a pretty massive printer because it's heavy, so when you take it out of this box, just be careful, because what you normally want to do, instead of tilting it on the side with something like this, I'm just going to go ahead and cut this paper off. Just see if that makes it easier. And the box is also stapled, so this thing attaches very well. Now I'm working on this little one side where I can just undo it. Again, y'all, the packaging on this is very well done. I made it sure where it won't come off. Yeah, now I'm just using scissors because I don't want to damage anything or the printer itself. And I'm going to work my way around the box right now. You can say the state. Now let's go ahead and get it out of here. As you can see, they use all of this wrapping here so you don't damage it. And let's get a look, a closer look, I should say, at the 3D printer once I get it out of the box here. And I'm also doing this on my table. It does not move once you get out of the box. And here, that's the 3D printer. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and set the box down here. And here is the 3D printer itself. I got some anti-vibration sheet, so the sheet I can use on this thing. Just gonna zoom in, look on it right here. Yeah, that's probably better right there. Alright, let's start unwrapping it. Y'all, this printer's sick. I can already tell that the build quality of this one is not going to be able to be matched with a printer like this. Now when y'all do this, just be careful of taking everything off, because when you take everything out, you don't want to damage anything. Now it looks like here it's attached to this little door handle right here.